Okay, y'all, let's unbox the new Ninja Crispi. I bought this on Amazon because, you know, I signed up for Ninja's emails and they're like, hey, we're coming out with a new product soon. And then I got an email saying it came out, so I bought it because Ninja doesn't send me stuff for free. I've asked them to be a product tester, but I'm not. Shame on them, but it's fine. Okay, so Ninja Crispi. This is the 4-in-1. Walmart has a 3-in-1. That's cheaper. This was $174 after tax that I paid. So comes with starter guide. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is the lid. I bought this because they advertised it as like travel, you know, on the go type stuff, and I really kind of wanted one for work. So we'll find out if it's really travel friendly if I want to deal with carrying this to work all the time, because I, you know, want to try and eat better and do all of that to, you know, lose some weight and be healthier, because right now I eat out a lot. So hopefully this really is travel friendly and that it works really well on the go. But this lid is freaking huge, so, oh, I think I'm gonna have to take off the base. Let's figure it out. That's the board. That was a lot easier than I made it out to be. This part is, it's kind of heavy, but it is pretty small, so I think this might fit in my lunchbox. We'll see. But this is the top of it. So hopefully this works. And this is the small base that you put it on for, at least the small one. I'm gonna cut this off. Okay, perfect. All right. So this in here, this is probably the other base. Oh, these are the pans that go in the glass dishes. Ooh, and the lid. So this is the, I guess, what is their crisper thing. And lid. Okay. Okay. This is their small glass container. So, you know, pretty standard container size for on the go. And this is the large one. This one's huge. I can't see you taking this on the go. This is not really, I guess you could take this on the go maybe if you're going to like a party or you made stuff for a lot of people, but this is pretty big. But we'll see what fits in my lunchbox. And that's all that's in here, so awesome. So that goes with that. This goes in there too. I don't know which side's the right one. I don't know. But it's totally fine. So this one goes here. Cool. All right. Let me go get my lunchbox. Okay, so this is my lunchbox. Let's see what's gonna fit in here. Because I kind of want this big thing to fit in here so that I don't have to bring an extra bag, especially if I'm just taking the little one. So let's see. Does it fit? It totally fits, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. It fits in this. And then this lunch bag has a top that can extend. Okay. Okay, so this one extends up so that you can put more in here. So it's like a whole nother thing. Will this tiny one fit in here? The little one, hold on. Obviously the lid is going to be in here. There's a certain way you have to put the lid. You guys, everything fits in my lunchbox. This is perfect, and it's not too heavy. That's so exciting. I'm excited now because I didn't think the lid was gonna fit in my lunchbox, and it did. This lunchbox I got off of, well, my mom got it for me off Amazon as well. So this is so perfect. Now you can't fit two in here. So like if my husband wanted to also meal prep, we'd have to obviously get him a lunchbox because we work right down the road from each other. So we have lunch together, but everything fits in here. That's really exciting. For me, it's exciting. I'm excited. I don't think this big one's gonna fit in here, but you know, we'll give it a whirl. I like to test things out, see if stuff will fit. I like to smush shit in. It's not gonna fit there, y'all. This is not gonna fit in here. I wonder if the bottom part will. Yeah, this one won't fit in here. I don't even think it'll fit in the bottom part just because it's just too wide. But the little one and the base fit in this lunchbox, so that's perfect. I love this. So we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna come back and we are going to make some meals with this because I've seen mixed reviews already on Amazon from people who got it for free. And then I've seen videos all over TikTok of people who got this for free as well, saying how amazing it is. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna test it, but I'm excited that it's in my lunchbox.